Now let us, we are going to start our experiment number 5. The experiment contains the measurement of elements of a spar gear. You please see, this is the spar gear. Different types of data which we require, that is, one is base circle, one is objective of the experiment, that base circle diameter and tooth thickness at a given pitch circle diameter of a spar gear. Now, if we return on the initial page, that is base circle, we have to find it out. Basically, after that module, after that another tooth thickness of a PCD, pitch circle diameter, we have to find it out. So, theory part has been written over here. I think I do not have to explain a theory behind it. If I want to explain it, certainly a long time is required. You please see what other instrument is required. Basically, it has been produced in our machine shop. We have to find out basically base circle diameter. What are the other instrument? This is known as base tangent micrometer. Base tangent micrometer. This is sufficient to find it out. This is, we have already shown it to you, that is vernier caliper. So, step by step we should proceed, and in this experiment our beloved Arun Babu will help us like anything, because he has got a thorough knowledge. So, now we please see, object of the experiment is complete. Theory, you please go on your data sheet which should be supplied from the department. This is the base circle. The distance over a number of teeth is equal to the distance round the base circle intersected by the teeth front, teeth that concern. Thus, the distance difference between values for two different number of teeth is equal to a whole number of pitch round the base circle. So this is basically theoretical calculation. It is not required. So, now we are going to the next slide. The pressure angle we should calculate, tooth thickness we should also calculate, and this you please see, that is the function of the pressure angle, that plays an important role. If we can find out the pressure angle, I think you have read this in your machine tool subject, that pressure angle plays an important role in every gear. After that, theoretical calculation we will try to show you practically. Now, what we should do? Measure the tooth thickness. Measure the tooth thickness of a specific position on the tooth with the help of base tangent micrometer. Second one, fix that position of which the measurement is taken. Vernier caliper for taking measurement M, that vernier depth gauge for setting dimension of which the module to be affected. But in this experiment, we should carry out how the experiment is carried out. Now, what Arun Babu has done, he has marked one teeth with the help of a chalk. After that, you please see what Arun Babu is going to do. He, with the help of the base tangent micrometer, the function of base tangent micrometer, you please see how he is taking, it becomes the tangent of the teeth. He is taking the dimension.
3 numbers of teeth.
Provided he is taking the width with the help of the 3 number of teeth. He has taken, he will put it into the data sheet. He will put it into the data sheet. That is 3 teeth, observation number and micrometer reading. He will, in the 3 teeth, he will calculate it for at least 4 times by rotating this job. Now, he is going to start from another position, excepting the initial 3. He will take another 3 dimension. He has already put in like this way. and third one like this way, fourth one like this way. So, he has taken according to the mathematical problem given marked as A1, A2, A3, A4, and he has the difference between B and A he will write over here, and mean difference he has written over here. So, now he is taking dimension not with the 3 teeth, rather with 4 teeth successively. So, he has taken another 4 dimensions by taking 4 teeth at a time. Now, I am going to show you another typical instrument, that is gear tooth vernier caliper. You please wait a little bit. Gear tooth vernier caliper. Now, you please see another instrument which is known as gear tooth vernier caliper. With this measuring tool, we can measure different parameters of a gear. You please show how it can be taken. Yes. So, by using the gear tooth vernier caliper, we can take the measurements from here. So, now you have to fill this data sheet. The data sheet is given to everyone. With the help of this thing, we can fill up this table and we can find out the different measurement which we want, that is base circle diameter, that is pressure angle, with some mathematical calculation, that we can find it out. So, now I think we have completed 5 experiments. So, these 5 experiments is included in your syllabus for 1 semester. Thank you again.